friends, welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to teach you how to paint Captain America. Make sure to stay tuned towards the end of the video so you can see how amazing it comes out.
Look how huge this piece is. I can't wait to show you when it's done.
So very important that you have a design ready before you begin painting. So I'm using MDF ultra light wood panels for this particular painting. But again, the techniques that you learn in this video, you can also apply it to a wall as well. So step one, we're going to prime and paint the background. I'm using Sherwin Williams interior house paint. This is really good paint to really cover an area, and you really just want to block the background to make sure that's covered. So step two is we're going to draw the foreground using stencils. In the upper right hand corner is a link to a video where I go into more detail on how to create these custom stencils. I highly recommend using stencils whenever you're doing a very large work. It just helps with the drawing process and makes everything just much faster. So step three, we're going to paint the foreground. So after we draw and outline the foreground with the stencils, we're going to go ahead and just block the main colors of the foreground. So step four is getting ready to paint the shield. So we're really, again, main thing is blocking the colors. So the main colors is of course the white and the red. So really just covering that first layer of the red, and then we go ahead and start putting the second layer of red in more of a diagonal fashion, kind of breaking up from the darker and lighter red to kind of give it this three-dimensional illusion. So step five, we're going to go ahead and paint the details of the foreground. So we're really going to focus on Captain America's face in particular, really working on layers upon layers of shadows and highlights to really give him a 3D effect. Step six, we're going to go ahead and work on the details of the background. So the background for this piece, I wanted to make it more of this like really loose, abstract, dark, destructive type of look as Captain America is pulling through the city. So using a mixture of the blues and the grays and the whites to kind of give it that grudgy type of look. So step seven is to work on the final details. So once you have everything painted, you just want to go back to each area and just really finalize those details, really focus on the highlights and the darks to make sure that everything looks complete. So step eight, which is actually the last step, we're going to go ahead and coat the painting with a clear gloss. Now I've used this particular gloss for many other paintings and murals, and it's fantastic. It really helps seal the color and just give your piece a nice finished look. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed the video. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below. If you have any questions, make sure to write in the comment box. If you want to learn how to create some more beautiful paintings and custom murals, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you in my next video.